In the heart of the forest, a monster works to fell giant trees in seconds. The Timberland Tree Shear, developed by Timberland Equipment, is no ordinary cutter. It's a technological machine that races against nature itself. With a single stroke, its hydraulic arms lock the power of steel into the tree trunk, bringing down trees weighing tons in the blink of an eye. You won't even hear the sawing because this machine doesn't use a saw. This isn't just a woodcutter, it's a true money-making machine. Its massive body vibrates, its internal power shredding tons of wood per second, transforming it into ready-made fuel. The moment the S375, the pinnacle of posh engineering, ensconces a log, there's no turning back. Hydraulic pressure builds, the steel blades lock, and the thick trunks are instantly split into perfectly sized logs. Imagine a machine that changes the fate of a tree the moment it touches it. Without blinking or hesitation, it seals tons of weight into the ground in a single move. When the Westec branded Woodcracker C350 comes into operation, time in the forest literally accelerates. Thick trunks crackle as if they were cardboard, and giant trees collapse in seconds. This isn't felling, it's a pure display of power. Suddenly, the ground begins to shake in the forest. What approaches in the distance isn't a vehicle, but a truly uncontrolled force. When the Tigercat branded L870C arrives, the trees are no longer ruled by nature, but by technology. Its massive arms tear through the air, its steel claws grasping tons of trunks in a single move and stacking them as if they were matchsticks. The operator operates not as a human being, but as a strategic center. Once this machine is operational, there's no such thing as tree bark. Only raw power, steel speed, and an unstoppable storm of production ensue. This giant work of robber engineering peels a log within seconds of entering it, transforming it into pure raw material. As the bark is scattered like rain, the tapes flow relentlessly, the rhythm unbroken, the tempo never faltering. Everything in the forest suddenly stirs. The earth trembles, the trees retreat, and the true ruler of load carrying enters the scene. The moment the Ponce Buffalo starts working, wood is no longer just a felled tree. It becomes a wealth of transport within minutes. Its giant wheels clear a path even in swamps, and its hydraulic arm grips tens of tons of loads like feathers. Time is compressed as the stacked logs are placed in the truck bed in perfect order. In the forest, everything suddenly goes silent because a hunter has arrived. Once this machine is activated, the trees are no longer a natural feature but a code decipherable in seconds. The moment the H210 bearing Rotney's signature grasps the trunk, calculations begin. It cuts, holds, measures, prunes, and reloads all in the same second. It makes decisions at a speed the human brain cannot match, making no mistakes and not hesitating. This isn't a truck, it's a beast that feeds on cargo. The moment the engine starts, the fate of the forest changes as the most powerful face of Scania power emerges. The R540 hurls tens of tons of logs forward as if it were carrying an empty trailer. The moment the throttle is applied, the asphalt vibrates, the differentials lock, and the torque explodes into the ground. The massive bodies don't sway around corners. On the contrary, they flow as if they were nailed to the ground. In this scene, you see not the massive machine, but the brain that actually does the work. What quietly approaches in the middle of the forest isn't a harvester, but its heart, a steel intelligence. The moment the Kesla 25RH touches a tree, it doesn't just cut it, it reads, measures, and slices it flawlessly. Sensors calculate the trunk diameter in milliseconds, rollers shift the tree, and blades prune without a single error. Quiet warehouse, a seemingly ordinary log, and an incredible transformation begins in an instant. Thick trunks transform into perfect stove wood in seconds, right before your eyes. The moment Hockey Pilka's EZ38 starts, the atmosphere changes. The log enters the machine, is measured, cut, and split perfectly in an instant. Dust rises, the wood flows like rain, and the pace never slows. There's no waiting here, not a single wasted second. There's no order in this scene, there's only shredding, giant branches, thick logs, and tons of wood destroyed in seconds. The moment the Bandit's signature 2290 starts working, the place instantly turns into a battlefield. Everything that enters its mouth turns into a cloud of flying chips within seconds. The engine screams, the steel turns, the belts feed relentlessly. There's no turning back. Once a branch enters, its fate is sealed. It's shattered into tiny pieces, blown away, and becomes raw material for another industry. This machine doesn't cut down trees, it erases them from history. Enormous trunks arriving in one piece vanish within seconds, because at this point, it's no longer nature speaking, but pure industrial hunger. The moment the Morbark branded 40/36 starts, heaven and earth tremble. When the massive drum begins spinning, every tree in its path is devoured without any pre-treatment. Branches, trunks, roots. It makes no difference. In an instant, they all vanish into the high-speed steel, erupting out the back as a storm of valuable chips. This machine doesn't move forward, it rewrites the ground. Everything that stands before it is gone in a few seconds. Bushes, rocks, logs, roots, all share the same fate. When the FAE branded PT-300 starts operating, nature retreats and pure power takes over. While the tracks crush the soil, the massive rotor in front of it spins at thousands of RPM, disintegrating everything in its path. There's no cutting here, no mowing here, it's pure destruction. This is no longer a forest, but a temple of speed. Logs lose their identity within seconds of entering this line and transform directly into products. When Advaligno's signature Patas system goes into operation, the concept of time disappears in the factory. Logs are automatically fed, measured, guided, and processed in perfect synchronization. Human hands simply observe. Sensors make the decisions, software charts the course, and steel determines the rhythm.